Here I have iPhone 10 and let me show you how to force restart on the following operation. So it's basically the soft reset operation when your device is not responding and you'll just need to restart this device. You can use this method. Let me just show you how to do it. You need to press volume up once, volume down once, and keep holding side button. So let me do it. Let's start by pressing volume up once, volume down once, and keep holding side button. Let's keep holding the side button for the whole time until you see the iPhone logo. As you can see, the iPhone is rebooting. And the Apple logo pops up. Now you can release the side button and let's just wait until your device will show you the home screen. And by using that operation, you will not lose any data. You just restart and reboot your device. So it's basically very easy and very useful. That's it. Right now you can use your phone. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.